In this video, I'm about to show you how to keep hotspot on iPhone when locked. First, open the setting app on your iPhone. Next, tap on a personal hotspot and make sure it's turned on. Check if the option Allow others to join is enabled. This measures the hotspot stays active even when the phone is locked. Now, go back to setting and tap on battery. Check if low power mode is turned off. If it's on, turn it off because low power mode might disrupt your hotspot connection. Then go back and tap on display and brightness. Scroll down and tap on auto lock. Here, select a longer time such as 1 minute or never to keep your phone awake for longer periods. This helps keep the hotspot active. After that, go back to settings and tap on mobile data. Scroll down and ensure that the mobile data connection is stable and not restricted for any apps. Finally, go back and tap on Wi-Fi to check your current network connection. Make sure it's stable and connected, as this ensures a consistent hotspot experience. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.